If Myra can read 162 words per minute, how long will it take her to read her term paper with 5,670 words? Let us use the concept of direct proportion to solve this problem. A proportion is said to be direct if as one term increases, the other term increases proportionately. We use the relationship between words and number of minutes, using a proportion in which both ratios in the form of word per minute. The given ratio is 162 over 1. The second ratio is 5,670 over n, where n represents the time she took to read 5,670 words. We write the two ratios as a proportion. By solving this, we can get the value of n. Answer: Myra read her term paper with 5,670 words in 35 minutes. If a car traveling at a rate of 80 km per hour takes 10 hours to travel a certain distance, how long will it take the car to travel the same distance at the rate of 60 km per hour? Let us solve the problem using inverse proportion. A proportion is said to be inverse if as one term increases, the other term decreases proportionately. Consider 10 hours of travel at 80 km per hour for a certain distance, longer time of travel at 60 km per hour for the same distance. Let n be the time of travel at 60 km per hour for the same distance. Lesser rate over greater rate is equal to shorter time over longer time. 60 over 80 is equal to 10 over n. By solving this, we can get the value of n. Answer: it takes 13 and 33 hours to travel the same distance at a rate of 60 km per hour. Divide 128 chairs among 3 rooms in the ratio of 2:3:3. Let us solve this problem using partitive proportion. The division of a quantity or a whole into 2 or more equal or unequal parts based on a given ratio is called partitive proportion. The given ratio is 2:3:3. Let n be the number of chairs. 2n is the number of chairs in room 1. 3n is the number of chairs in room 2. 3n is the number of chairs in room 3. 2n plus 3n plus 3n is equals to 128. By solving this, we can get the value of n. And by substituting the value of n, we can get the exact number of chairs in every room. The ratio of chairs in 3 rooms are 32:48:48.